everyone, I am Srinivasan Rajendran. Today we are going to discuss a topic called relational operators, which is the second type of operator. Okay, as we discussed in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the arithmetic operators. Okay, so relational operators. So these are binary operators, which means you have to use two operands and one operator. After performing the mathematical operations of this particular operators, this has to be written either a true or false. Okay, so mostly, so it will compare both the operands and it will produce the results of true or false. True means it will display 1, okay, and false means it will display 0. There are 6 relational operators which are available in a C program. Okay, less than, greater than. Number 3 is less than, equal to, greater than or equal to. Next one, equal to, or else we can say it's equals. Okay, equals. Don't pronounce it as double equal to. Equals or equal to. And last one, not equal to. Once again I am repeating the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal. Don't say double equal, that is completely wrong. Equal to or equals. Okay, not equal to. When you answer in an interview, you just pronounce it as equals or equal to. Don't pronounce it as double equal. Okay, and description less than, obviously A, which is the left hand side, B is on right hand side. A is less than B or less than B, which means if the condition is true, it will be present yes, or else it will produce the output as 1. Okay, always the left operand is less than the right operand. If the left operand is greater than means you can use greater than symbol, and less than equal, which means if assume that A value is 5 and B value is also 5, 5 less than equal 5. Condition is what? It's true, right? Either it should be less than or it should be equal. That's the operator is saying, either less than or equal. Okay, next, A greater than or equal, that is also fine. And A equals, this is a difference between the greater than equal, equals. The serial number 5 which clearly tells it has to be equal. And sixth one, A and B value is not equal, then it will produce true. If it is equal, it will produce false. We'll show you with an example. Look at this example. I have assigned a value 10 to a variable A with this, which is the type int, and I am assigning the value B. I am assigning a value 5, which is a variable name B, and the type int. I am just comparing both the operands. A less than B, 10 less than B. Condition is true or false? Condition is false. False means it has to print 0. And A greater than B, 10 greater than 5. Yes, condition is true. It has to print 1 because this is a, what to say, Boolean value. Either it will be print true or false. A less than or equal B, no, because 10 should be less than or equal 5, that is false. Okay, so why I am putting double slash here, that is comment line. Okay, if you follow my YouTube channel you can understand it. A greater than B, greater than equal B, yes, this is true. A equal B, here 10 equal 5? No, condition is false. A not equal B. A 10 not equal 5. Yes, condition is true. Why true? Because A and B is not equal. Not equal means true. Okay, because this is not equal. So if you run the code, false. The line number 8 it is produced 0, and line number 9 it is produced 1 true, and line number 10 it produced false 0, and line number 11 it will produce 1, and line number 12 it produce 0, and line number 13 it produce 1. Suppose if A value and B value is same, then you can just quickly guess it. A less than B, false. A greater than B, condition true, because this is not for this one, and this is true, because 10 less than or equal 10, condition is true, and 10 greater than 10, this is also condition false, and 10 less than or equal 10, condition is true. Again 10 greater than or equal 10, because either should be greater or equal, condition true, and 10 equal in the sense equals, this is also true, it has to be print 1. 10 not equal 10, actually it is equal, so not equal it will produce false. So 0 0 1 1 1 0, that is what printing. You should have a thorough knowledge about how these operators are working. Okay, I hope you would have liked this video. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel, then only I post the videos you can learn a lot. I am also learning with you guys, and you can please enable the notification bell button. Okay, and if I want to make any of the topics should cover in a C program, please leave it in a comment. Thank you all.